Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line. It's a 1.5 litre TSI, 150 PS. The car is a beauty, it's a 72 plate and it's got a top spec, including a multifunction front-facing camera, adaptive cruise control with front assist, high beam assist, a dynamic road sign display, distance control monitoring, and these 17-inch Valencia alloy wheels. Moving on to the boot's huge and it goes very deep as well. The interior has heated front seats, Discover media navigation and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.